All right, Mary, so your equation is 0.0007n squared plus 0.013n plus 8.29 equals 15. You move the 15 over, you get it set equal to 0, and then you can use the quadratic formula. So you should have x equals negative b plus or minus the square root of, there's b squared, minus 4 times a times c all over 2a. All right, so let's try putting that into our calculator. Negative 0.013 plus the square root of 0.013 squared minus 4 times a times c and then we take that whole thing and we divide it by 2a. So there's what I get for one answer, 230. And then I got to redo the same thing, except I need a minus in the middle. Now there's a handy way to do that on the calculator. Go second enter, and it brings up the last thing you typed in. Bring second enter, and it brings it up again. So I can just go back and change that to a minus and hit enter. And then I got to divide it by the 2a. And there's my other answer. Okay? Hope that helps. All right, Mary, you have this equation, and you set it equal to 15. To solve, I moved the 15 over, so that gives me a minus 6.71 there. And then I use the quadratic formula, negative b plus or minus square root b squared minus 4 times a times c all over 2a. So let's see, that's negative 0.013 plus the square root of b squared, 0.013 squared minus 4 times a times c, and then I take that whole answer and I divide it by 2a, and there's my first answer. Now I need to repeat, except I need a minus in the middle here. And that's easy to do on your calculator. If you go second enter, it brings up the last thing you typed in. If you go second enter again, it brings in the next to last thing you typed in. You can back up and you can just change that plus to a minus. And then divide by the 0.00014 again. And there's your second answer. Okay, I'm not sure what you were doing to come up with the answer that you had, but there's the answers I get. Hope that helps.